In this video, I will show you how to download GT Arcade Android emulator. This is a step-wise video, so don't skip video. The link is in the pinned comment. You can copy it and then paste it on your Chrome browser to get the emulator interface. On the upper right corner, click on App and then Desktop app to download. After the setup is downloaded, run it as administrator. It will start downloading. Its size is 89 MB, so wait for it to download. After it is downloaded, sign up in it with your email and password. After you have signed up, the emulator interface will appear. On the bottom right corner, click on emulator to download it. Some options will be demanded. Click on it to install. The installation step is started. Wait for it to install. After it is installed, launch the emulator. A bit of setting will be done in it. Open the Play Store and sign in it with your email and password. Now the emulator Play Store has been opened. You can download any game you want. Just search for it and install it. I will also download a game from the installation. This was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.